Welcome everybody. This is Milansoccer1313 bringing you box break number 526. As always, before we begin, we show the time here in Toronto, Ontario, and we're going to hit refresh. It is now just about 11:05 p.m., my friends. That means we are 6 minutes after the last team Winnipeg would have sold, and we are ready to go. This ended Wednesday, June 15th, for one box of Series 2 Hobby. It happens to be the very first case, box 1 of 12. Usually we list the serial number in the description, but we did not have the product until today, and this was launched last week. So when we switch over to the webcam, we're going to see a sealed case. We're going to open up the box. There are going to be 12 boxes in the case. We're going to label each one 1 through 12 because all 12 boxes are up already. So we're going to bear with me a little bit as we go through some housekeeping on the very first box, but we're going to set aside box number 1, the very first box in the case, and that's the box we're going to use tonight. If you haven't already, please subscribe to 1313 Milan Soccer on YouTube. If not, it's okay. I always send the link via eBay messaging. Now let's go over the rules really quickly as we have some new guys with us, and we're going to explain how it works. Let's use Anto Bata as an example. He's been with me for a while, and he's a great guy. In this box break, he's going to own Colorado, St. Louis, and Vancouver, because those are the teams that he paid for and bought. I'm going to open up this box. There's going to be 24 packs. Each pack contains one hit. That is the card and only the card that gets mailed out. So if there are any Colorado Avalanche cards or any Blues cards or any Vancouver Canucks cards, I'm going to package them up and mail them to Antobata to a shipping address on eBay. In the unfortunate event, however, that say there are no St. Louis Blue cards in the box, I'm still going to mark it as shipped on eBay. However, nothing physically is going to be mailed to Antobata. There's nothing to mail. That's how box breaks work. I know we pay 65 cents for shipping and handling, but that is a small collection for the amount of product, packaging, and the ever-growing cost of postage with Series 2 Hobby. Email me with any questions you may have. Let's get to it. Antobata has the Avalanche, the Blues, and the Canucks. BB Kids has the Devils. Coach Al Hockey Shop has the Coyotes, the Hurricanes, the Blackhawks, the Oilers, and the Wild. The Sol has the Sabres, the Sharks, and the Vegas Golden Knights. Devon has the Flames and the Islanders. Francie has the Senators. Gamma has the Canadiens. Glenn Goose has the Penguins. G-Time has the Bruins, the Jackets, and the Panthers. JPJ has the Rangers and the Lightning. Mimor has the Leafs. Nato Cullis has the Capitals. Niche 6192 has the Jets. Rippy has the Red Wings. Sergeant B has the Stars, the Predators, and the Flyers. Super Pop has the Ducks and the Kings, and Will Lave owns the Seattle Kraken. All right, let's bring you guys over to the webcam and show you a fresh sealed case. And my friends, as I open it, I'm going to label them 1 through 12. I also have to show the serial numbers for the future box breaks that are happening not only tonight, but tomorrow night and next week, because they've all been posted and are live already, okay? Fresh case. We are going to crack this open. All right, so we're going to just take box 1. I'm going to mark it 1, and I'm going to show the serial number. However, we're just going to set this one aside because they scored already in overtime, Colorado. Wow. Oh, this is going to be a while if I can't get the serial number to focus in on. There we go. 11502. That'll be box number 1. Okay, guys? I'm going to mark this box number 2 for later on tonight. And we're going to show that serial number nice and close. 11512. I'm going to set that aside because that is my box 2. For next week, here's box 3, and I'll mark that box 4. Box 3 has 11496. Put that over here. Box 4 for next week is going to be 11507. Now we're going to do boxes 5 and 6. Sorry guys, I have to do it this way. These breaks are all already up, and I won't have the opportunity to list the serial number in the break. 11499 is box 5. That way I can always reference this break and everybody can come see their serial number. Box 6 is 11504. We're going to do 7 and 8. A few more to go, guys. And then we'll get started with our box break. Box 7 is, whenever this wants to focus in, 11511. Box 8, 11498. Box 8. Now we got 9 and 10. Box 9 is 11503. Box 10, 11506. Box 11 and 12, and then we can get started. Box 11, 11510. And finally, box number 12, 11514. They're all very close in sequential order. So that is going to be the future boxes for next week. And now we can get started with our box. Box number 1. Get a case here. Let me fix the camera. Again, let's show box number 1. And the serial number that I showed at the beginning, 11502. We are ready to go. As soon as this focuses in for some reason, there we go. Good luck, my friends. First box of the first case. Let's start off with a bang, and let's get to it. Let's hope the quality is fantastic. We got Patrick Kane on the front now. There we go, my friends. First pack. Good luck. Our first hit is a Andre Burakovsky for your Colorado Avalanche, who've just won in overtime, quick overtime, against Tampa Bay to win game number 1. Not that I don't want Tampa Bay to win because I like the team, but I'd like to see Nathan McKinnon win a cup. Fantastic hockey player, and he's a good guy. He deserves it. Sean Monahan for your Calgary Flames. Canvas. Congratulations, Calgary. 2 canvas cards to start us off. These packs are opening sweetly. Thank God. We have an Upper Deck Portrait Rookie Variation. Very nice. For your New York Rangers. Niels Lundqvist. Congratulations to the Rangers. I'll just show that. The rookie variations are a little more rare, so congratulations to New York. Wow, these open like butter. Perfect. Our first Young Gun goes to the Boston Bruins, Oscar Steen. Congratulations, Boston. And we have a Marquee Rookies Blue Taylor Radish for your Tampa Bay Lightning. That is a nice card. First one, so I'm not sure if the blue is a more of a rare, but nice hit for Tampa. Congratulations. And just so we're clear, the inserts are the only cards that get mailed out, okay? And we have a Rookie Materials For your Minnesota Wild, nice card. I'm glad they put these in. Kalen Addison for your Minnesota Wild. Nice card. Better than just the regular jerseys. And we have another marquee rookies. This time it just looks like a plain one. For Mike Hardman and your Chicago Blackhawks. Congratulations, Chicago. We have a fluorescence. Oh, they brought these back. Very nice. Karel Velyamka for your Arizona Coyotes. Nice card for Arizona. Why is that upside down? Oh, because it is a French variant for Evgeny Malkin. And you can see variant Francais for your Pittsburgh Penguins. There we go. Congratulations. Oh, look, a Seattle base card. Jordan Eberle. We have the inserts are backwards. Easier to find them. A Superstar Honor Roll for your Dallas Stars. Tyler Seguin. Very nice. Another marquee rookies, this time Philip Tomasino for your Nashville Predators. These are nice little variants. I don't know which ones are the higher end or which ones are the more common, but nonetheless, all being shipped out. Congratulations to Nashville. Young Guns for your Vegas Golden Knights, Jonas Roundberg. Congratulations to Vegas. Young Guns Canvas. Wow. Niels Lundqvist. We got the rookie variation in Upper Deck Portraits, and now we get the Canvas version. Congratulations, Rangers. Nice looking card. Not the black variation, but nonetheless, very nice. That does not count as a box or case hit, so let's see what else they have in store for us. Unless one of those marquee rookies were something fun. Jake Neighbors for your St. Louis Blues, Young Guns. In Series 1, we always had some sort of box or case hit. Obviously, some are better than others, but the French variant or the Canvas was not a insert. Jake Lecision for your Vegas Golden Knights, another rookie variation. Upper Deck Portrait rookies. Congratulations, Vegas. Another marquee rookies, this time Dawson Mercer for your New Jersey Devils. I guess that blue variant is something nicer because we've had a couple of these plain gray ones. Another marquee rookies, Hendrix Lapierre for your Washington Caps. And maybe the jersey card counts as a insert because those are rare as well. Young Guns, not bad. William Lockwood for your Vancouver Canucks. Congrats, Vancouver. And from what I can see so far, these are pretty sharp. So box one quality looks pretty good. Upside down, they give us a second French variant. This time, Patrick Maroon, who can win 4th Stanley Cup in a row if Tampa Bay can beat Colorado. French variant, congratulations, Tampa Bay. Arctic Canvas, Semyon Varlamov for your New York Islanders. That's a nice shot. Nice third jersey there. Why are we out of focus? There we go. Another superstar honor roll, this time Gabriel Landeskog, the captain of the Avalanche. Hope he gets one too. 3 packs to go, and as always, we close off the break by showing who owns the last team. Young Guns. Carl Viljamika, that's the guy we just got in that other variation. This time we get him in the Young Guns variation. So congratulations, Arizona. We sign off by showing who owns the last hit and signing up the time. And I hope to see you guys tomorrow night. Marquee Rookies, same player. This is like the 3rd Arizona card. Carol Vinyamka, Marquee Rookies for your Arizona Coyotes. And our final pack, final hit, belongs to Philip Danault and your LA Kings. Just a regular OPG base card. So let's get you guys back to the main screen and find who owns the LA Kings. LA, here we go. Super Pop, you own that last hit. And now we sign off with the time. Hit refresh here. It's now 11:22 p.m., my friends. Thank you. That was box 1. Hope to see you guys tomorrow night for boxes 3 and 4. Have a good night.